Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys the new accessory adjustment feature on Dress to Impress. Now, it's not available for everybody yet because it's going to come out on the Easter update, but I'm going to just show you a sneak peek on the accessory adjustment right about now. So on this new update, you can scale and rotate the accessories that you have on, as well as you can move it around. As you can see, there's a position, rotation, and scale. This is mainly for like free play, and I think you won't really have much time if you want to do this like in the regular mode of Dress to Impress. But that's how it looks like. That's how it's gonna look like. It was a Game Pass, but now they have made it into features, so please use it wisely, because if you do something really bad with it, they will remove it. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!